Hi gents, today very short video, my virtual arrival to virtual Blyth Port. I'll show you a few interesting game mechanics which is already implemented. Let's go.
Хорошо. Okay, so as usually, very quick video about my Blyth port. So we choose, not so handy. Blyth port. I'll put video settings on the medium. It should be good. Yeah, by the way, I make some few improvements here. So we have computers, and let's go. Blyth, medium. Run simulation. Yeah, so looks good. Let's check what we need to do. Okay, so maybe visibility. Visibility is quite okay now. I'll switch on the light, a little bit deck lights, navigational lights, of course. And yeah, I'll switch off the forecastle light because it's pointing directly on the bridge. Yeah. So here you can see some improvement on the vessel. Leading light, the approaching leading light, which we use all the time to keep the center on the channel. And as usually, switch on steering pumps. Yeah, so it's some kind of checklist. Yeah. Taking control on CPP and start speeding up. Let's go. So here I make some kind of visualization. You see this red line. Yeah, that's the visualization of our leading light, which is originally in real port it's 324. Yeah. So now we have now you can see we have 321, almost 322. Yeah. So we need to come a little bit more to starboard to keep this 322. Yeah. So we need to come more to starboard just to keep 324 and use leading light. Yeah, by the way, from previous video, I find out it's recording only part of my screen, which I really can see on my VR. So that's why I'll try to do. I'll try to keep everything more visible for you. And yeah, so it's 324, almost 324. We follow leading light, and we are entering the port. Yeah, you can see all the lighthouse is blinking as in real life. 4 flashes every 10 seconds. And yeah, this vertical double lights on the south part of the breakwater. Yeah, the red lights, green lights, everything like in real port. Yeah, like in reality. Yeah, for a moment, I'll just speed up a little bit, otherwise it will be a very long video. Nobody watch a very long video. I don't know why, but yeah, I need to really speed up a lot, and yeah, just make everybody happy, arrive to the port as quick as I can. Yeah. So, let's do it. You see? I come more north from the leading light. I need to bring vessel back. Okay, yeah. So, coming. Speed is almost 10 knots. I never arrive in Blyth with 10 knots speed, but here I can do whatever I like. Usually I try to keep speed during crossing the breakwater around 6 knots. It gives me perfect control, so I can keep control on the vessel. I can keep control on the situation. Yeah, and start reducing speed. When I pass the harbor master office, it should give me I should keep a speed around 6 knots, around 4 knots. Sorry. Yeah, it's a little bit. Yeah. So, okay, let's take control. I'll switch on thruster, by the way. Let's take control on the wing. It's more convenient to steer. as soon as I enter the port, it's much more convenient to take control on the wing. And yeah, just test everything should work properly. Yeah, so everything is working properly, and we can do steering, we can do everything from here. Yeah, so everything is working well. Yeah, you can see we are a little bit south on the left side of from the center because of wind. I make wind not so strong, but anyway, it's good a good practice to keep in mind how wind affects the vessel. And when you have fully loaded vessel with a lot of deck cargo with huge windage, it's really important to keep in mind the wind direction and speed. So now we are passing Harbor Master Office. You can see, yeah, and we can reduce speed a bit more, just to make it. Everything should be really comfortable, because in sometimes it's difficult. Anyway, it's when she's heavy, it's difficult to stop her. That's why it's nice to start reducing speed in advance and just to be able to stop and perform the turn in time. Let's test the thruster. Ah, yeah, we are too fast. Thruster not so efficient, and the rudder still efficient. Yeah. So let's do it. Let's use the rudder for a moment. Wait, we almost stopped. So we are passing. Yeah. We are passing a finger pier, actually quite close. In real life, I never pass so close. I try to keep some safe distance from the finger pier. Otherwise, I can, in few seconds, maybe in few moments, I need to start swinging to starboard, yeah, just to be able to arrive to south part of this harbor by stern. So that's the interesting case. Up. So I cannot come further. How it looks. It's interesting, yeah, how it looks from the bridge. Okay, so and we can do little bit swinging here. Yeah, we need to bring stern in first. Yeah, we are passing, nicely passing. Yeah. Stop. Bow and give kick, good kick astern. So as soon as our stern nicely passing finger pier, we can go. Yeah, so we start moving astern. The rudder not efficient anymore, and we can steer by thruster. Yeah, too much. Thruster very efficient because we are light now, and and of course we have a transverse thrust effect. You see, the bow is coming to starboard. So this model is acting as fixed right-handed. When we give kick astern, bow goes to starboard. So that's also interesting. This engine mechanic is implemented. The game mechanic is implemented already on this version. So now, how it's going? We are slowly coming to port. It's compensating transverse thrust effect. The first step of the bow thruster, slowly compensating the transverse thrust effect. So we need to bring bow a little bit more to port. So that's why I push the second step, and we can see how it looks. Yeah, so we are coming nicely. We are coming nicely. Slowly moving astern, and slowly bow come to port. It's exactly what I need for a moment, of course. For a moment, everything looks nice. Let's do it. Let's follow. Yeah, vessel moving. And the trick is of this maneuver, when wind is blowing from behind, it's nice to approach by stern and send stern line first. As soon as you have stern line made fast, yeah, you can bring any moment. You can use, at least you can use your rudder and engine to keep stern out, and you can bring bow by bow thruster. So that's the trick. Later on, I'll make some flags and this cone flags just to show the wind direction along the key. And I'm planning to make the wind interaction not the constant like now, and it depends on the building, because in real life it can be, the wind direction on the high of a windmill can be in one direction, and in real life close to the key, the wind which is really affecting the vessel can be completely different direction. And it's nice to have some local flags which is showing what is the direction of the wind. Yeah. So I'll stop bow for a moment. It's good. It's good. We can bring. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Normally we can send stern line here. You can see it's very interesting. My deck light is reflecting from the key, from the objects on the key. It looks amazing. Later on, I'll make some lights, maybe on the buildings, maybe on the key somewhere, just to make a really nice feeling. But yeah, for a moment, it looks like it is. And the stern line position, in fact, should be somewhere close to this cone. I put 3 cones and no any bollards yet, but yeah, it's just on next release I'll add some bollards. Yeah, actually that's it. You can play and enjoy. I hope you like this video. If it's useful for you, yeah, push subscribe button. Yeah, follow my Patreon. See you.